Hello, my friends, my beautiful friends of this world. Welcome to this video. It's great to see you. It's great for you to see me. I'm really happy with technology. And today I just want to share with you what I've been working on this morning for a few hours, and that is getting together, making 4 new books. And I also have another one that's already in the fireworks before that. So that's 5 of them basically I have to produce and put out into the world. I'm really excited. I'm looking forward to like spreading and sharing my message more, but not just my message. Just it's just the message of the universe, great spirit, higher self, and other light beings who are part of my soul family and spirit guides and like my multidimensional selves, like love, light beings of love, kindness, and wisdom. And of course, I'm by far not trying to pretend or think that I'm somehow extra special than anyone, or like more than or better than anyone, but I'm just sharing from where I'm at and my stage of growth, so it can help others too. So the video topics that I'm really excited about the most, probably, which one the most, the none the most, but love, true love and relationships, veganism and real love. They're tied in together. There's similarities here. Everyone's a vibrational thing. um, Wisdom and awareness, um, health. That's pretty much health and happiness. Health, happiness, and lifestyle. Health and happiness, basically. So I can't wait. So excited. I'm going to share / sell, invite via probably books, like a PDF. Very easy. I'm going to get together a little website type of thing to sell them in another few months or whatever else. They're going to be reasonably not too expensive, just PDF. And if I get them on paper, I'd really like it too, because I feel there's something nice about having something in paper, and I want to make them colourful in paper as possible. I don't mind if they cost extra money to make, or even cost extra money to buy. It's a vibrational thing. It's a present to ourselves, and for me, to the world, and to you too. So good morning, Rana. Yeah. Oh, Ibrik. Never heard of these names before. So here's another beautiful little organite pyramid. So everyone, thanks for watching. I can't wait to share it with you more. I just want to help the universe and our galaxy, our Mother Earth, Gaia, and our Sun. Just help the consciousness and vibration of the planet. And ultimately, just want to help you have a happier, better, healthier, happier, funner, sweeter, kinder, friendlier, more empowered, more fun and exciting, sweeter, gentler, happier, joyfuler life. That's what it's all about, everyone. Personal growth and evolution of our consciousness. So that's it. Have a lovely day, and thanks for your love and support. So what I will be doing next is creating a mailing list. So people because I have one mailing list, and that's only for my Higher Self Herbs website, and that's not even my main passion whatsoever. Not in the slightest bit. My main passion is expansion and evolution, deepening, growing, learning, bubbles, love, joy, floweriness, yellow, sunshine, our godly, divine, infinite spirit, nature, great spiritness, our sparks, golden light, love light, white light, all that sort of stuff, you know what I mean? But in a grounded way, this is a bit more of a poetic, artistic, creative, colourful type of abstract type of, but spiritual, true way also, But in the grounded way, I'll present the book, so it's a real life and it's applicable, and you can embody it, So yeah, next is my playlist, or not my playlist, my mailing list. So then people like you can actually subscribe to my mailing list, because that's truly what what I do is I'm really like into real life and grounded spirituality and healthy living and living our ultimate potential. And my YouTube channel name is One Love, One Family. I'm into living that, and I do that. I absolutely live it and embody it as I grow along. But when it comes to sometimes technology, like, what am I up to? Like, I should have had a mailing list years ago for people who are really into my passion, so I can email them on a regular daily basis, or at least a regular basis. But so silly me, just being gentle on myself, no real self-criticism, and shoulds don't really exist, but just loosely speaking, it's okay to say should. Should have done that ages ago. Thank you. I hope you subscribe, and lots of love. I'll stay informed, and this is a live Facebook video, but I will be sharing on YouTube channel too. So check in my descriptions below. Maybe my books, they really help you. They're really, really, really going to be like very clear, succinct, and powerful and good. And I don't mean that from an ego place. I just mean that I now know and understand the vibration aspect of me, and when I present something, I know where it's coming from, and it's not coming from a like conflict or I'm better than you or creating separation perspective. It's coming from a unifying and coming together, um, a, a team, family, friends. Like it's coming together, it's unifying. It's for the upliftment and help and betterment of everybody, everything, and everybody. It's from a good place, and it's clear enough. It's clear. It's from my heart. It took a long time for me to be learning where I am to get where I am now, like to learn where I am. It really has. I have to just thank all of my guides, angels, and loving light being supporters and family and spirit guides, all of that stuff. Just totally 100%. And then obviously just part of my own unique individual willingness and openness and intention and ability to learn and evolve too, which a lot of that even goes to like great spirit, absolutely 100%, and even then the levels below that, the light beings. So we all have them. Everyone is special, and we all have them. See you, take care, have a nice day. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your love and support. Go back and check this video if you're near the end. Hey new watchers, Scott, Nicole, and Cal.